Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I've got 3 new collections this week for you guys, as well as our Halloween sale, which I'm pulling up right now on my phone, sorry. I should have already had this. So we are doing a buy one, get one free, see if I can do this, it's getting the light. Buy one, get one free kit sale. It began this morning. It will run through Halloween at midnight. So Monday, or is that Tuesday? Is that Monday? I think it's Tuesday. I've got an anatomy test on Halloween. So Tuesday. It ends at midnight. And yeah, the code is spooky. All of the older kits are limited stock. The new kits are unlimited stock. So if you're interested in that, you can use code SPOOKY for buy one, get one free on our kits. Okay, so 3 new releases this week. Going to get started with the tinsel collection. Also, I know this video is going up a bit late. I'm sorry about that, but it's about 4 p.m. when I'm filming this on Friday. I try to get these done Thursday night or Friday morning, but like I said, I've got a big anatomy test, so I've been working on that. So the first collection is called Tinsel. I adore this. This is another one of those kits that I normally wouldn't do because normally with foil, it would just be, there's not really anywhere to put foil here. I guess I could do a little bit, but so I wanted to do this. I do have one more with this style of artwork coming out probably next weekend. So this one does have full box add-ons. So we have a deep skin tone. Also, it's kind of weird because the men plus like the skin tone being for the men and the women, I didn't know if I should do that way. If you guys want like just one with all of the men, you can let me know so that I can put all the different skin tones and hair colors on like one strip with just the men. Let me know. I thought about that as I was designing them, but didn't know if I needed to do it or not. I probably do, because even when I think about myself, that's not gonna match, but you guys let me know. So we've got a deep skin tone with dark hair. We have got red hair with a light skin tone, blonde with light skin tone, brunette with light skin tone, and then a medium tan skin tone with a brown, like brunette hair. So those are available a la carte. And then let's get into the kit. So I'm so obsessed. So this one has, it's a Christmas or a holiday collection, like all of these are. I just can't stop myself. At some point I'm gonna need to do New Year's, but for right now I just can't stop doing Christmas. I need to do some more winter as well. So we've got, okay Google, deck the halls on this letterboard with the ho ho ho. Look at this gingerbread cake. It's just so cute. I love the scenes in this. You've got the dining table, like the entry table, and then down here you have got the living room, which I thought was just so adorable. Presents, stocking. I love this nutcracker. That's one of my favorite like Christmas decorations. Not that I have a bunch at my house. Mom has a bunch though, and I just think they're so cute. Charcuterie board over here, just adorable. I love these boxes. So that is your full box sheet. You do also have 3 labels down at the bottom. Second sheet, you've got layering items up top and then boxes underneath. Third sheet, you've got your headers over here, daily tracker, weekly tracker, 3 circle checklist, some extra boxes, work labels, and a bill due up top. I don't know if I just said that or not. And then there's a slight reformat on this next sheet. So you've got your bottom washi, second layer bottom washi, some more headers, date covers, and then flags in another box. So I mentioned last week that I didn't remember to update this to the newest on some of the other kits. So this is that newer update, but I also got a message about the fonts. So the fonts on the date covers were different than the fonts over here. And I received a message saying that they wanted them to be the same, and I was like, okay, like that's not an issue. I do know that the fonts kind of change a bit on like the scripts and stuff, but that was just where I hadn't moved it over anyway. Although I think I normally do different fonts, but this one looked super cute, so I actually, you guys can see, I like the update to this font. So that's the only change, is this sheet right here. And then if that, well, let me back up. You guys, I'm so exhausted, like my brain is not working right now. So these 4 pages here are the mini version of the kit. If you want the deluxe version, it comes with these 2 additional pages. So you've got checklists, you've got icons, script icons, currently reading. And then the next sheet has got labels, some extra boxes, and then some cut washi down at the bottom. So those 6 pages make up the deluxe, the deluxe kit. Oh boy, okay. And then we've got the Hobonichi cousin version of the kit. So you've got some layering items up top, your full boxes. These can either be washi or half boxes, more boxes down here, some layering over to the side. You've got your washi strips, weekly tracker, daily trackers, headers, checkbox, and then your date covers, as well as just a couple of other little functional items. So that is the Hobonichi cousin version of the kit. And then, whew, it was a lot of talking. So next we have got the Jingle Bells collection. So the next two are photo kits, which I really love, especially for Christmas. So for this one, you've got your quote box says Jingle Bells, and then you've got hot chocolate, presents, stockings, the tree. I love this so much. So that is your first sheet. I'm just gonna kind of flip through these last two instead of going through the entire format. So you've got layering as well as half boxes. In this kit, there are a lot of patterned boxes. Next sheet, you've got your work due, your headers, checklist. I said work due, bill due, and work labels. And then you've got your trackers. And then same thing with the update on this sheet. So you've got your bottom washi, your date covers, another row of headers, and then some labels. So that was the mini kit. And then for the deluxe kit, you would also get the sheet right here that has got your scripts, icons, checklist, and then your labels. These are actually like little thing size, but so that you can put your own stickers in here. And then you've got washi. And then we do also have the Hobonichi cousin version of that kit right here. And I am about to go onto the website and update the photos here in just a second, because for right now I just have the digital images up and I haven't even done that yet. And then your next, or your last collection, this is the Jolly collection. This is actually one of my favorites photo kits. I just think it's so pretty. I love the hot chocolate. I love the car, the house with the snow, the trees, the ornaments, just everything about this kit I love. So that is your full box set. You've got your half boxes, layering things, and this one also has the patterned half boxes. You've got your headers, work labels, trackers, some extra boxes, and then your bottom washi, date covers, extra headers, and some labels. That was the mini version. Deluxe version, you've also got your scripts and icons, checklist, more boxes, cut washi, and then your little labels down here. And then here is the Hobonichi cousin version of the kit. So that is this week's new releases. Again, you can use code SPOOKY for buy one, get one free on the kits. That is all the kits, not just the new releases. However, if you are buying different kit sizes, I'm pretty sure the website is going to automatically take off the cheapest one. So just to keep that in mind, if you are buying like Hobonichi cousin with like deluxe or something like that, or even mini, if you want to do them separately, if you want to shoot me a message after, I can combine them and refund the shipping overage. There's really no way for me to get around that on the website. I wish there was, but. So yeah, that's this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye guys.